I chose the PowerXL Air Fryer Pro. It has multiple presets. It does everything for you. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a charcuterie board, a cheese board, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna air fry Wisconsin cheese curds. We're gonna air fry some pickles, and we're gonna air fry some mushrooms. So now I'm gonna make the sauce. The sauce is super simple. Look at this. What do you think? Enjoy your charcuterie board, but do it in the PowerXL.